everybody. Welcome to Just Upright. My name is Doc Jing Bruder. I'm a doctor of physical therapy and I'm a certified dementia practitioner. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. I make videos on how to apply as physical therapist here to the US, health and wellness video for older adults, also how to be a PRN physical therapist and PT documentation. Check out the playlist, okay? I have courses about how to apply step-by-step process. I will walk you through the process on how to apply here to the US as a physical therapist, and also a course on how to make an effective and comprehensive physical therapy evaluation. So check those ones out, okay? So today I'm going to discuss what is PT Compact, okay? So this is something newer, okay? This was not available when I was applying here to the US as physical therapist. We're going to dive deeper into what is a PT Compact by definition of FSPPT. What are the states that are participating with the PT Compact? How can you use the PT Compact? And what are the processes involved, and how can you find those step-by-step procedure to walk you through in application for the PT Compact? Okay, so let's dive in. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the process on how to find the information about PT Compact, okay? So the first thing that you have to do is to just type what is PT Compact on Google. And so this, you can click this first one as long as it's from fsbpt.org. So that is a very reliable official website of FSBPT. So let's see, okay, the definition of PT Compact. The Physical Therapy Compact is an agreement between member states. So there are member states. Not all states participate currently as of the making of this video with PT Compact, okay, to improve access to physical therapy services for the public by increasing the mobility of eligible physical therapy providers to work in multiple states, okay? FSBPT launched the PT Compact to increase consumer access to physical therapy services by reducing regulatory barriers to interstate mobility and cross-state practice. The PT Compact was officially enacted on April 25, 2017, when the 10th jurisdiction became a member. Okay. So just to clarify, for example, in the Philippines, once you become a licensed physical therapist, you can practice all over the country, okay? But here in the US, different states have different requirements, different fees, different processes involved before you can practice in that specific state. So per state, different requirements, different rules, okay, different policies and procedures. So if you want to, for example, in New York, if you're licensed in New York, okay, and you want to practice in New Jersey, you cannot actually practice in New Jersey without applying to the state of New Jersey and supplying all the requirements and procedures and the fees that New Jersey Board of Physical Therapy require. Okay, so when it comes to physical therapy license here in the US, it's not actually like United States of America. They are not united when it comes to giving a license to physical therapists. So they have their own authorities and requirements per state. So what PT Compact is doing is that in order for you to have more license in, for example, your neighboring state or other states that you want to practice, PT Compact will help lessen the burden of applying for a license to the state that you want to practice, as long as it is a participating state. So for us to see the participating states, you can actually hit the PT Compact website. So once you hit this will come out, okay? So this is the official website of PT Compact, okay? So, and then hit here, see the map. So this will be the one that will pop out, okay? So the blue ones are the member states, okay? The light blue are enacted legislation not yet issuing or accepting compact privileges, the legislation was introduced for the like a blue-green, and then non-member states without legislation introduced. Okay, so let's just have a rundown of the participating states. So the New Hampshire, Delaware, Maryland, Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, North Carolina, Kentucky, Tennessee, Georgia, Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas, Missouri, Iowa, Texas, Oklahoma, Colorado, Nebraska, North Dakota, Montana, Arizona, Utah, Oregon, and Washington. So those are the participating states. Okay, so the other states like Illinois, they're not yet open to this. New York, Connecticut, Vermont, Maine, Minnesota, Wyoming, New Mexico, California, Nevada, Idaho, Wyoming, Florida. These are non-members of the PT Compact. So what are the uses of PT Compact? So for example, I am near the state line. I have a neighboring state that is participating with PT Compact. I want to see my patients. I will drive to another state to see this patient, and I want to be licensed in that state, so I can apply for a PT Compact to see my patient physically by crossing or driving, from my state to another state. So you can apply for a PT Compact if you are near any states, okay, that you want to see the patient physically. Okay, so the other part of the PT Compact, the beauty of PT Compact is telehealth. So if you have a target patients in different states away from where you are, you want to be licensed in that state, as long as that state is participating, you can use the PT Compact to be licensed in that state. Okay, so those are practical uses of PT Compact. Okay, so I Google if I want to transfer my physical therapy license to another state, can I use PT Compact? Okay, so this is what I got, and of course you have to check with the state to be sure of this information. So it says as long as your home state where you hold a regular PT or PTA license is a compact member state, you can apply for and purchase a compact privilege for each member state where you want to work. From the home page, guys, if you want to find out if this is right for you, okay, you can click this, find out now. Is compact privilege right for me? Click this. Okay, so once you click this, it will take you to this one. So this is the step-by-step process of how to obtain the compact privileges to practice or work in compact member states. So you have to really understand that this is only applicable if the state that you want to be licensed is a participating state. Okay, we already discussed what are those states, and you can refer back to the map for that. Okay, so this is step by step. This is very detailed and helpful. I suggest that you take time to read this through. I will just go through the important details of this, but not everything. Okay, so first determine if you meet all the eligibility criteria to apply for and obtain and maintain compact privileges. So one, you need to be licensed in your home state of residence. Okay, so for example, I'm Missouri. I have to make sure that my license is not expired. Okay, you must have a driver's license in your home state, and you don't have any disciplinary action for at least for the 2 years. Okay, the state where you're seeking compact privilege must be a member of the PT Compact and actively issuing and accepting compact privileges. Okay, so those are important things that you have to remember. You have to be licensed in your state. You have to have a driver's license in your home state. You don't have any disciplinary action against your license for a period of at least 2 years, and or where you want to apply is a participating state. with PT Compact. Okay, so if you meet all those criteria, you should determine the compact privilege fees and jurisprudence requirements for each state you want to obtain privilege in. Okay, for most states, you must successfully take and pass the jurisprudence requirement or exam for each state you want a compact privilege in before applying for the compact privileges. Not all states require jurisprudence exam. However, if you fail to take and pass the state when required, you may face disciplinary action. Okay, so for you to know what are the states requiring jurisprudence exam, so you have to click here, access list of state fees and jurisprudence requirement examinations. Okay, so once you click that, it will take you to this page, and so it will have, you know, the PT Compact state here, the state CP fee, okay, commission, compact fee, total fee, and then jurisprudence exam requirement. Okay, so real fast, let's see what are the states that require jurisprudence exam. Okay, so you have to be able to pass the jurisprudence examination for initial or renewal of your license before you can avail or before you apply for a PT Compact. Okay, so Arizona requires jurisprudence examination, Arkansas, Colorado doesn't, Delaware doesn't, Georgia requires jurisprudence, Iowa doesn't, Kentucky requires jurisprudence, as well as Louisiana, Maryland, Mississippi, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska doesn't, New Hampshire requires it, as well as North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma doesn't, Oregon does require it, Tennessee, Texas, Utah and Virginia don't require the jurisprudence, Washington requires it, and West Virginia doesn't require it. Okay, so guys, going back to this page, you can see the fee here, so always go to the ptcompact.org website for the latest update about the changes in the fee. Okay, I always tell my viewers, do not rely on this video alone, because between the making of this video and you watching it, there might be changes in the fee. So currently these are the fees, but always go to the website for the specific fee changes or updated fee per state. So you just have to remember that this fee, guys, is per state. So if you want more licenses, you have to pay each state for this fee. Okay, so once you have taken and passed the jurisprudence exam for the state or states you want to get compact privileges in, then you will click the Purchase Now button on the homepage of the PT Compact website. Okay, this will take you back to the page which reiterates that compact eligibility requirements, link to the state fees and jurisprudence requirements, and step-by-step process. You must click Continue at the bottom of this page to get to the compact login. Okay, once you are logged in, you will need to use the FSBPT ID, number, and password. Okay, so it is the same ID and password that you use when you apply for NPTE, but if you do not have that, then they have the link here for you to get that ID. Okay, so after you successfully log in to the PT Compact website, you'll be taken to the personal dashboard that is pre-populated with license information received from the state boards. Okay, to proceed with the first-time application and purchase, you will need to click Purchase button and follow the steps to verify the eligibility, select the states you are seeking compact privileges in, and attest that all required jurisprudence exams have been passed, pay the associated fees, and receive your unique compact privilege number or numbers. Okay, please note you will need a copy of your current valid driver's license as a proof of your home or permanent residence state. And the verification and purchasing process takes less than 10 minutes, and a receipt with your unique compact privilege number for each state purchase will be provided in an email and automatically added to your dashboard upon completion. All compact privileges can be verified by public employers, etc. on the PT Compact website under privilege verification. Okay, that completes the steps for getting an initial compact privilege. Please note the important items below and remember the scope of practice where the patient is located must be followed in every case despite where you hold a license or compact privilege. Okay, so I would suggest, highly suggest, please read through all this important information here. Okay, I will put the link down below for you to take your time to read these important items to know before getting a compact privilege. There you have it, guys. So I hope that is helpful. If you have any comment, if you have any suggestion, what do you think about this video, just leave your comment down below. If you have any other suggestion for videos that will help you, let me know and I will do my best. So I hope that clarifies what is PT Compact, what are the states participating in PT Compact, what are the things that you have to remember, what are the requirements before applying for a PT Compact, and where you can find the step-by-step guide to apply for a PT Compact. Please don't forget my books available at Amazon.com. I have a new book called Burden, Blessings, and Beyond. I share in this book my stories of depression and anxiety, how I overcame them, my journey to the US to apply as physical therapist that took forever, and important life lessons that I've learned throughout the years to share with you guys, to give you some inspiration, hope, and healing if you are in the same boat as I was years ago. Okay, so also my other books are available at Amazon.com. All the links are down below. Also, don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate your time. Until the next video, stay blessed.